Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
The Alpha Hat was a reward issued only to Rocket League closed alpha testers. It was never sold in the item shop and was distributed directly to qualifying accounts during the alpha testing window. The hat is an account-bound legacy item that signifies participation in the game's closed alpha and carries rarity and historic value among the community. There is no current in-game method or store to obtain the Alpha Hat if you were not a tester, so its legitimacy depends on original account ownership and game records. To confirm whether you legitimately own an Alpha Hat, log into the original Rocket League account you used during the closed alpha and inspect the inventory for the Alpha Hat entry. Original accounts will show the item as a legacy cosmetic. If you need official verification, contact Fanatics support with the account email and proof of alpha participation, and ask them to confirm alpha-era rewards on that account. Remember that trades or in-game drops cannot legitimately grant an Alpha Hat after alpha distribution, so any claim otherwise is suspect. The only legitimate route to an Alpha Hat is having been an official closed alpha tester and retaining that original account. Trying to obtain one now by third-party purchases or account transfers risks violating Rocket League terms of service. Purchasing an account that claims to include an Alpha Hat may result in the transfer being reversed, the account being banned, or final loss of the item, so it is not a safe or endorsed solution. Always verify ownership screenshots, trade history, and avoid offers that pressure immediate payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.